Android UI tests shouldn't take minutes to load data. They shouldn't fail because the backend is slow, and they definitely shouldn't depend on an unstable server just to check one simple screen. But for most QA engineers, that's the reality. What if your Android tests didn't rely on the backend at all? What if they ran instantly, offline, with the exact same behavior every single time? In our Maestro course, you'll learn how to transform your Android automation using a powerful tool called the Maestro Stub Recorder. We give you a lightweight, 2-screen Android app and a ready-to-run Maestro flow so you can experience the workflow yourself. And here's the best part. Whether you test iOS or Android, Maestro uses the same commands, the same YAML flows, and the same Stub Recorder workflow. One tool, one process, two platforms. With one command, the Stub Recorder captures your real network traffic, every request, every response, and stores them in clean, isolated folders, one per test. Modify the data to create the scenarios you need. Turn off your Wi-Fi and watch your Android test pass entirely offline. That's the magic of full isolation. Your tests run faster, your results are stable, your CI is no longer held hostage by back-end outages. And this is only one part of what we teach. In our Maestro course, you'll learn how to build a real, modern, backend-independent test suite for both iOS and Android. The kind of system that saves hours, improves reliability, and lets QA teams move faster than ever before. If you want to unlock stable, fast, offline-ready Android automation, join the course today. Record once, replay everywhere. Master Maestro.